Okay, let's have a look then at some vocabulary for Unit 3. Now I'm not really going to teach you this vocabulary because a lot of it is basically plainly obvious what it is. Some stuff may need explanation, but basically this is just to help with your pronunciation if you're not sure about the pronunciation of some of these new vocabulary items. Try and memorize these, very important. One of the greatest things about going to Korea is eating its food. It's fantastic. So let's have a look first at some fruit, or kwayo. Let's just pronounce these, see if you can say them first. So there are sagwa, dalgi, dalgi, it's got that tensed sound, jamong, grapefruit. And I'm going to go from left to right and then top to bottom. Subak, podo, orange. Okay, see if you can pronounce these ones. They are pear, bear, kam, 복숭아, 복숭아, 숭아, 복숭아, 토마토, 토마토. See if you can pronounce these vegetables. 감자, 양배추, 버섯, 오이, 오이, 당근. Okay, some more. 양파, 양파, 파, 파. 무. It's kind of daikon, what we call a daikon, very large radish, not what I would think of as a radish. It tends to be about that big, but 배추, 배추. It's a very important cabbage for making kimchi. Sometimes they call it Chinese cabbage or napa cabbage. 옥수수, 파. That's nice, breathy. 파. Okay, some drinks now. 음료수. Try and pronounce these. 콜라, 홍차, 인삼차, 보리차, 보리차. So when you go to a restaurant in Korea, you always usually get a glass of 보리차, barley tea. It can be cold or slightly sort of warm. More drinks. 우유, 커피, 커피, 탄산음료, 음료, 탄산음료. So there's a tansan with oxygen in it, so it's fizzy, carbonated. Okay, so some alcoholic beverages here. These are all loan words. Well, the first two are brandy, whiskey, also known as yangju, so Western alcohol, I guess. 맥주, 물, yogurt, yogurt, 드링크제, 드링크제. So that means these kind of health drinks or sports drinks you get in the pharmacy if you go to Korea. If if you've got a hangover, people go and drink these, and they've often got lots of caffeine in them and nicotine and all sorts of nasty things. I'm not sure how healthy they are, but seem to be quite popular. 스포츠 음료, 스포츠 음료. Okay, let's get on to some meat and flesh now. So 생선 is what you eat, it's kind of fish you eat. 소고기, it's the famous beef, Korea. 닭고기, 닭고기, chicken. 게, crab. 돼지고기, 양고기, 양고기. When I first went to Korea, no one ate that, but it seems to be quite popular now. 양고기. Some snacks and desserts. 치즈, 치즈. 초콜릿. 도넛, 도넛. 케이크. 비스키트, 비스킷. 과자, 과자 is what they say quite often. Okay, some other snack foods. Bang, bang, tensed. Bang, very tensed. And bang is just a generic word for any sort of wheat-based food. So anything baked. So it could be a cake, could be referred to as bang, or what we might call a roll, or even a croissant, I guess, might be referred to as bang. It's just something Westerners eat. However, distinguish between sandwichi, which is a sandwich, and toaster. And toaster is kind of a breakfast snack, and it's usually sort of fried egg on sort of fried bread with cabbage, tomato, ketchup, maybe other types of maybe cheese on as well, and or other food. And it's quite a nice snack in the morning. Very greasy, but very nice. 쌀, 쌀, uncooked rice. 밥, cooked rice. But also a way of referring to food in general. So if you say 밥 먹었어? 밥 먹었어? Have you eaten? Have you eaten rice? Literally, have you had something to eat recently? And then 계란, this word for eggs, or 달걀, but 계란 is the most common one. 달걀. Okay, some real Korean food now. Not really translatable. 된장찌개, 된장, 된장찌개, 김치찌개, 김치찌개. Kimchi you all know. 불고기, of course, famous dish. Some more typical dishes. Bibimbap, and then dulsot bibimbap. And dulsot is kind of a hot stone pot, so this one arrives very, very hot to your table. Dulsot bibimbap. We're going to try and remember this food and also practice the pronunciation as well.